$39 million home just listed by Ivan Shear at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services yesterday. It is a beautiful home taking in this 360-degree views of the whole Las Vegas skyline, positioned right on the top. And it has 3 levels, including a top floor with a master suite. The master suite, yes, is on the top floor all by itself. Has an office and 2 private decks, a main level with a large family and dining areas, and 4 additional bedrooms. This home has 11,255 square feet. The lower level features a theater. Yes, a theater. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. A second office space or spa. And I'm going to just slide down through here through the pictures. It has a wine room and bar, another large guest suite, spotlight high ceilings, curved staircases, and an open floor plan with a chef's kitchen, which is always my favorite to look at the kitchens, and private dining area expanding into the family room and outdoor luxuries, including a covered patio, a poolside deck, a heated pool, a hot tub, and complete with a waterfall and an outdoor kitchen and fire pit overlooking the golf course and foothills. The bar-ringed indoor kitchen, complete with high ceiling cabinets. Yes, beautiful. And it has a pro cooking top, 2-door refrigerator freezer unit, a double oven, and a super large island with a master suite that includes a private deck and a fireplace, and its own, of course, private bath. This home is one of a kind. You won't find 11,000 square feet that is so beautifully designed, open. And here's, look at there, there's that beautiful theater room. It even has a bar back here. Wow, they really knew what they were doing. These are the staircases. As we scroll down here, you can see the deck, and this is from the master floor, if you will, the 3rd floor, and looking down on the rest of the home. Beautiful office. This home is very easy. You know, it's not. There's nothing really outlandish. It's just a beautiful home to live in with 6 bedrooms and 8 bathrooms, a beautiful backyard for outdoor living, and as we said in the beginning, a 360 panoramic view of the Las Vegas skyline. Hope you want to see this. If you do, please click below and I will take you on a tour. Thank you and have a wonderful day.